Hello, this is Dark Renegade 93. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a dragon's wing. So, for the typical way you would do it is you would let's say if you like doing it with shapes, you can make like a triangular. Think of it as like a triangle, but like the edges are curving outwards. And do like that. Or if any of you know, if you know how to draw a scythe, looks similar to that too. Now, if you want to, there's a lot of ways to draw it, but you can draw it this way. But I like drawing it like the way a bat's wings would look. So I would draw that in the middle. Then you have the shoulder bone. That's the part that attaches to the shoulder, better yet. Then you want to draw your draw the bone down the middle. And on the outside, and you can get creative if you want to add something like, say, a bone protruding out of the top of the wing. You can do that. You can do it here too if you desire. See? And some people like to make it look more rugged. So if you so desire, you can draw some rips at the end of the wing to make it look more detailed. Like so. Just erase the lines. You can also I'm not going to get into too much to the shading part, but if you like to know, usually if I shade, I'll make some small, like some lines up top, and then I'll take something like a napkin or a clean napkin or a clean toothpick. I mean, I'm sorry, not toothpick, Q-tip, and then I'll use it to blend the part of the wing that where I shaded at, so it won't look so it won't have that look so linear I want it to look at like it's all a part of the wing, like as I said, blend it in. But once again, if you desire to do it a different way, you can do that. You can even take your finger and just rub it in. It doesn't have to be perfect. Once you get better at it, you have a better understanding of it. Just take your finger. I'm not trying to do it perfect, just doing it a little bit to give you a demonstration. See. Once you get a hang of it, you draw. It's basically the same thing for anything you draw. So as time goes on, you can try different ideas and implement these tools I showed you today to make something of your own design. But thank you for watching. Just leave a like, subscribe to my channel, and hit your notification button if you're already subscribed so you can know when I upload videos. And thank you.